Understanding Eternal Life, a Journey Through Language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, eternal life. This concept has been a subject of interest in various cultures, religions, and philosophical discussions. Let's explore its meaning and usage in the English language. Eternal life literally means life without end. The word eternal implies something that lasts forever, without beginning or end. In contrast, life refers to the existence of a person, animal, or plant. When combined, these words create a concept that suggests an unending existence. In many cultures and religions, eternal life is often associated with afterlife beliefs. For instance, in Christianity, it is believed to be a life after death in heaven. Similarly, other religions have their own interpretations, often linking it to a spiritual realm or a form of rebirth. Beyond its religious context, eternal life can be used metaphorically. For example, when we say a poet's work has achieved eternal life, it means their work will be remembered and cherished forever. Philosophically, it can also refer to the idea of living a life that leaves a lasting impact. In literature and art, eternal life is a common theme. Writers and artists often use it to explore questions about existence, morality, and the human condition. These works usually offer various perspectives on what it means to live forever. Today, the concept of eternal life can also be found in discussions about technology and science, especially in the context of life extension and artificial intelligence. It raises important questions about the ethics and implications of potentially extending human life indefinitely. Eternal life is a multifaceted phrase, rich in cultural, religious, and philosophical significance. It's more than just a term, it's a concept that has influenced human thought and creativity throughout history. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this intriguing phrase. Keep exploring, and see you in our next video.